Pagbilang, counting. Here are the numbers from 1 to 10 in Tagalog. Try to memorize them after this lesson. Let's read each number and let's count the things in the table. When the number word ends with a vowel, we add the connector nang. When the number word ends with a consonant, we add na. Let's start. Isa, isang pusa. Dalawa, dalawang aso. Tatlo, tatlong bahay. Apat, apat na guro. Lima, limang estudyante. Anim, anim na pizza. Pito, pitong bulaklak. Walo, walong bola. Siyam, siyam na mansanas. Sampu, sampung saging. Here's the translation of the words we just read. You can memorize them after this lesson. To say one coffee, we say isang kape, isang kape. To say juice, it's the same thing. We say juice. Therefore, to say one juice, we say isang juice, isang juice. To say for me, we say para sa akin, para sa akin. To say one coffee for me, we say isang kape para sa akin, isang kape para sa akin. For you is para sa iyo, para sa iyo. So how would you say one juice for you? Isang juice para sa iyo. Isang juice para sa iyo. Here's a new table for you with the personal pronouns akin, iyo, and kanya, along with the prepositions para sa. How would you say one coffee for me and one juice for you? Isang kape para sa akin at isang juice para sa iyo. Isang kape para sa akin at isang juice para sa iyo. Mine in Tagalog is akin, akin. To say, this is my coffee, this is mine, we say, kape ko ito, akin ito. Kape ko ito, akin ito. To say, this is not mine, we say, hindi ito akin, hindi akin ito. Hindi ito akin, hindi akin ito. Both patterns are permissible. Yours is iyo, iyo. To say, this is yours, we say, iyo ito, iyo ito. To say, this is not yours, we say, hindi iyo ito, hindi ito iyo. Hindi iyo ito, hindi ito iyo. Both patterns are permissible. To say, this is my coffee, not yours, we say, kape ko ito, hindi iyo. Kape ko ito, hindi iyo. Before we continue, let's review The third group of pronouns. Para sa akin, for me. Para sa iyo, for you. Para sa kanya, for him or her. Akin is mine. Iyo is yours. Kanya is his or hers. And later, we will see some examples for kanya. Do you remember how to say I want it? Gusto ko to. Gusto ko to. Here, we are using the contracted version of ito, which is to. How would you say I want it, but it's not mine? Gusto ko to, pero hindi ito akin. Gusto ko to, pero hindi ito akin. How would you say she wants it? Gusto niya to. Gusto niya to. How would you say I need it, but she wants it? Kailangan ko ito, pero gusto niya ito. Kailangan ko ito, pero gusto niya ito. How would you say, I don't need that? Hindi ko kailangan yan. Hindi ko yan kailangan. Hindi ko kailangan yan. Hindi ko yan kailangan. Both patterns are permissible. How would you say, I want that, but I don't need that? Gusto ko yan, pero hindi ko yan kailangan. Gusto ko yan, pero hindi ko yan kailangan. Another way of saying I don't want it is ayaw ko ito, or the contracted version, ayoko to. Ayaw ko ito, ayoko to. How would you say, this is mine, but I don't want it? Akin to, pero ayoko to. Akin to, pero ayoko to. How would you say, that is yours, but I want it? Iyo yan, pero gusto ko yan. Iyo yan, pero gusto ko yan. As you can see, it can also translate as yan in Tagalog. How would you say, it's hers, she needs it? Kanya yan, kailangan niya yan. Kanya yan, kailangan niya yan. He is scared. Takot siya. Takot siya. How would you say, she is angry and he is scared? Galit siya at takot siya. Galit siya at takot siya. How about, she is angry, but he is not scared? Galit siya, pero hindi siya takot. Galit siya, pero hindi siya takot. How would you say, my mother is angry? Galit ang nanay ko. Galit ang nanay ko. How would you say, my mother is angry and my father is scared? Galit ang nanay ko at takot ang tatay ko. Galit ang nanay ko at takot ang tatay ko. To say for her or for him, we say para sa kanya. Para sa kanya. How would you say one coffee for her? Isang kape para sa kanya. Isang kape para sa kanya. Sometimes para gets omitted. So what you'll hear is sa akin or sakin. Therefore, one coffee for me could be isang kape sakin. Isang kape sakin. Same thing with para sa iyo. Para can sometimes get omitted. So what you'll hear from Tagalog speakers is sa iyo or sayo. Therefore, one juice for you could be isang juice sayo. Isang juice sayo. As you can see, we can contract iyo with you. Now, let's look at para sa kanya. Again, para can get omitted. So what you will hear is sa kanya. Sa kanya. Therefore, one coffee for him could be isang kape sa kanya. Isang kape sa kanya. Let's review. How do you say, "What's your name?" Ano ang pangalan mo? Ano ang pangalan mo? You can also use the contracted version. Anong pangalan mo? Anong pangalan mo? How would you say, "My name is Fides"? How about you? Fides ang pangalan ko. Ikaw? Fides ang pangalan ko. Ikaw? How would you say, "My name is Maria"? Maria ang pangalan ko. And to keep it short, you can say, ako si Maria. Maria ang pangalan ko. Ako si Maria. How would you say, "My name is Fides, not Maria"? Fides ang pangalan ko, hindi Maria. Fides ang pangalan ko, hindi Maria. As you can see, we did not add the marker C before the names. That is because we are not introducing or presenting a person. We're just providing the names as information. To say her name, we say pangalan niya. Pangalan niya. So how would you say, "What is her name"? Anong pangalan niya? Anong pangalan niya? How about, "What is his name"? Anong pangalan niya? Anong pangalan niya? She is Maria and he is Dario. Siya si Maria at siya si Dario. Siya si Maria at siya si Dario. Take care. Ingat. Ingat.